in my ViewBoard, there is a great way for you to record your class. We all know that starting from January 9th, 2022, Google Meet no longer offers free screen recording. So in my ViewBoard, there is a screen recorder for you to do that. That is under the capture function right here. When you click on the capture function, you can see a screen recorder right here. When you click on that, there will be an interface that appears, and then when you press record, it allows you to record the audio and every stroke that you've put down on your canvas or on your screen to your students. Once it's done, you can press the save button, and then it's going to save the entire video into an MP4 file for you to use. Now, furthermore, if you want to capture some pictures from your current canvas, for example, I want to capture South America right there. I can use this function, a rectangular area screenshot. I can do that, and then voila, my South America is captured. Now, if I want to capture a certain area, like this island right here, I can do this with the function that's called the freehand screenshot. It gives you the tool to draw an outline of the shape that you want to screenshot, which is this little island right here. Now, the very last one I would be talking about is this, which is very simple. It screenshots the entire screen like this. It screenshots the entire screen, and then you can utilize it in your further lesson planning. In our later episodes, we will be talking about the Windows toggle button, and I will show you how to use screen capture along with Windows toggle button in our later episodes. So I will see you there. Goodbye.